Hi there. Hi guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle is a two-star Sudoku, not in today's newspaper on Saturday, November 19th, 2022. No, I've told you in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. No, it's the edition of Friday, November the 18th, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku, and two puzzles are left. The tectonic, in Dutch they call it Cyber block, and this one, the two stars Sudoku. Yes, two stars Sudoku number 5507. 5507. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a two stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. I see a 3 in this column. First column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left with 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the first row, so the row between. The second row, the only place left with 3 should be there. Then. How about a 6? Yeah. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Now I go back to the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column. So no 3 in these 3 boxes. And 3 in this row. So no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3. Okay. Cannot continue with 3 now. How about 6, 6? 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, 6. Okay. 6, 6, 6. Then. How about 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7 in this big square. We have a 7 in the second column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here, 7 in the first row, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be here. 2, 8, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 in the first row. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this second row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. Alright, 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes at there. Then. 9, 8, 7. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. Second row. One of the missing number is a 9 in the second row. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. Here 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there. So the only place left for 9 should be there. Then. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in the second column, so no 2 and a 5 in these two boxes. The 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those two boxes of the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. The 4 goes there. A 9 in this row. 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column. 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in the third column, the 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the second column. I've marked this with 2 and a 5, so 2 and a 5 are missing. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2 then. Alright. Okay, and now, let me think. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5 in the last column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. 5, 5. Okay, cannot continue with the 5 now. How about these 2 missing numbers in the last column? 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me think. Well, we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. Then. How about? Let me see. 3, 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8. And look, with 3 and 8 in this column. So no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. Alright. 4, okay. So we have 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, second row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. and all the fours are used. I can see this is number 1, number 4. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, no, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, yes. The 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this row, last row, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 6. Alright. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 8 and the 3. We have an 8 now in the middle column. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 it goes there. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. This is number 3. Alright, 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. Alright. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and an 8, 1 and 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here in this row. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes at there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, I'm very pleased with time. So is this really a 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you later with the other last puzzle, a tectonic. Until then, bye-bye. For now.